What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are making Jamaican Sunday dinner in the kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any of the upload. And for all I'm returning goodie, on the don't know some love now, on the ready for cook. Come on, let's cook. All right, goodies, let's talk about our ingredients here. Now, the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the seasons that I'm going to put on the chicken. We're making brown stew chicken and rice and peas today. I have allspice, browning, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, and paprika, right? I already started to season the chicken. I don't know what happened to the clip, but anyway, you guys already see the seasons that I am using here, okay? Now, just know that you can always substitute out the seasons of choice here. I did add some ginger powder. I did add some garlic powder. I'm also going to add some green season. I do have a green season on the channel, a recipe, so you guys could follow that. All right, so just go ahead and just add your browning of choice here, whatever will do, and you could also make your own browning at home. I did add some oil to it just to cling all the season and spices together, and then I'm going to let it go ahead and sit for about 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes is all I need here. Best result is overnight. If it don't look like this, go back and re-season your chicken, all right? But otherwise, you're all set to go. All right, so while that has been marinating, we are going to cook the rice and peas. Now, I did make my peas in my Faberware nice and tender. It only took 30 minutes to cook. Now, what I'm going to do here is add some coconut milk to the mix. All right, and then I'm going to add some salt here to flavor it up. Of course, scallion and thyme. I'm going to add some scotch bonnet pepper yassa and some pimento seed, okay? Now, what I'm going to do here also is add some garlic to it and add some of that good Maggi seasoning. You could substitute that out for whatever you like. And just a pinch of black pepper, okay? Now, go ahead and give it a good mix. And my fire here is at a medium heat. I'm going to allow this goodie to come together for, I'll say, maybe 15 minutes before I go ahead and add my rice. Make sure you taste it, make sure you add the flavor what you like, all right? Now, up next, after that 15 minutes has passed, it's going to look a little something like this, right? So nice and bubbling and everything good. Now, what I'm going to be using here is my parboiled rice, okay? I'm going to use parboiled rice, but you could also use jasmine, white rice, or any kind of rice so you like, but me like parboiled rice. So I did use about, I'll say, 3 cups of rice to my mix, all right? Is what I'm going to be doing here, okay? All right, so I'm going to add some butter to it. Any butter of your choice will work just fine. And then I'm going to use some foil paper, cover it up nice and tight and turn it down. I'll say maybe to a very low heat, all right? I make it steam and do its thing. Now, while that is going, in my pot, we're going to cook the chicken. The chicken looks just like this after 30 minutes of being marinated, okay? Go ahead and add some oil of your choice. Any regular oil will do. And my fire once again here is at a medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken in my pot, and I'm going to allow the chicken to give me a nice caramelized color, but not burn up in the kitchen, okay? But I need burn up brown stew chicken. As you could see, I did not add a whole lot of browning onto my chicken because once you put it in there, you can't take it out, okay? So as you could also see that I'm really packing in the chicken because I want to make this fast, easy, and simple. I don't want to do it twice, 2 times, okay? So I'm making space to add everything in my pot. So nobody come for me in the comments. Now, after I'll say maybe 4 minutes or so, or whatever your stove temperature is like, you want to have a nice caramelized color, just like so. You see what happens? If I had put too much browning on it, it would have been burn up looking, okay? So it looked just like that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to flip them, and you're going to allow it to cook for another 4 minutes at medium heat, just like so. Turn them really nicely, all right? And then while that is going, these are my veggies of choice. I'm going to add some potatoes to it. Any potato of your choice is fine. Scallion and thyme, pepper and tomato. You can also use some bell pepper if you like, okay? Now this is the potato that I'm using. You could definitely substitute it, or you could just leave it out. Of course, you want to go in and give it a nice little rinse on the cold water. Good. Make sure that you guys are washing your vegetables, okay? Because your vegetables sometimes has dirt on it. So you want to go ahead and give it a nice little rinse here. Now, if you have come this far into the video, you must like what you see, right? So go ahead, show your love and support simply by giving the video a thumbs up, because it does support the channel and it does help the channel to grow, so that others will be able to see and gravitate and like and share all them good something, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Now I'm going to cut up my onions just like so, not too fine, just like a medium size type thing, and just kind of dice my scallion or green onion, you guys might have called it, right? And then cut up my tomato in bite-sized pieces or whatever, okay? But let's make sure I add some tomato. I like tomato on my brown stew chicken, okay? Now, after another 4 minutes, your chicken look perfect like that. You're going to go in and add all your veggies of choice. You can even add carrot if you like carrot, but I didn't want to add any carrot to mine, neither did I add any bell peppers today, okay? All right, spread it out nice and evenly, and then you want to go in for sure and add the rest of your marinade to it. Add some water to it, all right, because you want those potatoes to cook nice and tender. And me, I love ketchup. It is a must for me, but it's optional for Uno, all right? But me love it, so me put it on my brown stew chicken. All right, you want to go in and add some vinegar, because vinegar make you look good and young forever. So I'm going to add some of that in it. And then I'm going to give my vegetables some flavor, extra flavor. So I'm going to add some of the Maggi season on top of that and call it a day. That look really, really good. And after I'm done with that, you're going to go ahead and make it simmer all the way down. After it simmer all the way down, it took about 20 minutes to simmer. You're going to have the perfect authentic brown stew chicken in your kitchen every time straight, okay? It'll look good just like that. Make sure so that you are following the recipe. I'm going to put another link, a link in the description, so you guys could go ahead and follow that one. If you don't want to do it this way, you go ahead and follow that one, okay? It will be in the description of today's video, okay? And don't forget to thumbs up the thing. Of course, you know that Juliana offer put this on a plate. However, I wanted to go in and show you guys what I had as a side. Now, as a Jamaican, you know we have to have plantain with everything. Yes, goody. So I went ahead and I have an extra large plantain here, which I am going to turn this plantain into 15 pieces, right? Now, as far as your plantain are concerned, I like it when it's really, really sweet, but this one is not extremely sweet, because as you could see on the left, it's not spotted. The more spots you have on your plantain is the sweeter it's going to be, but it's still all right. It can still work, right? Now, I am also going to add some veggies, but I'll show you guys that later on. I just went in and just kind of fried my plantain. My stove was a little bit too high, so make sure so not burn up on the plantain like, oh, I almost did. All right, good day, not do that. All right, so it takes about, I'll say 3 minutes to fry your plantain at a medium heat. You know, make sure so you guys are doing that just like so. Everything is coming together really, really, really nicely. And again, goodie, as a reminder, if you have got this far in the video, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, okay? Like up the thing, goodie. Plant ready, look just like that. All right, so let's go into our veggies now. All right, so we have our cabbage here. I'm going to show you how to make a nice fresh veggies kind of thing. So good. You're going to love it bad. So go ahead and get any cabbage of your choice will work. I happen to have this one at hand, so this is what I'm using. So you go ahead and you just dice it up. I'm doing my own the old school way, but if you have the machine at hand, go ahead and make yourself happy boo. So I'm doing it just like so, and then I'm going to set it aside in my container. And to that, I'm going to add some carrot. Okay, so you want to add your carrot. And then all you have to do is go ahead and pour it out on the cabbage. All right, just like so. Perfect. Then I'm going to go in with a cucumber. So for me, I like to use a fork and kind of scrape through the cucumber skin first. Cut some of it off and then dice it up and then chop it up smaller. right? It's just a Juliana thing. And then I go ahead and pour it on top of my cabbage and my carrot. Just like so. Easy, right? Now we're going to do the same thing with the tomato. Again, make sure the tomato wash nice and clean. And you want to go ahead and slice it up just like so also. And then also dice it up into smaller pieces. And put it also with the rest of the vegetables. Very, very simple, right, Goody? Yeah, easy and very healthy, right? Perfect. Now, next, what we are going to do is add some either dried parsley. I'm using chopped chive here, the dry one. Went ahead and sprinkled that on top of my veggies. And then I added some extra virgin olive oil to it. Little bit, right? And then I added just a little bit of sugar. Yes, Goody, sugar. All right, so nobody complain about the sugar. And then we're going to add some dried cranberry to it. Or you could add raisins if you like, and that is all that it takes. Go ahead and mix that all up in. I like to have mine sit for about 10 minutes before I actually serve it, so that everything will come together really, really nicely. Okay, perfect. Easy breezy, beautiful Jamaican Sunday dinner in your kitchen every time straight. I hope that you guys are enjoying the recipe so far. All right, and I'm super psyched to bring this one to you guys as always, Goody. Okay, as always, that looks really good, y'all. And trust me, if you have never tried it this way, go ahead and try it this way and thank me later, right? So finally, y'all, everything is on our plate because we don't know all the things set right there. So look how that look nice, Goody. Do me a favor, spread the love, bring them come, Goody, send them come. I'm waiting. Tell the man up the street, tell the girl down the road what are going up over yassa at how to cook. All right, bring them come, bring all of them come, Goody. And when you're done doing that, tell me what you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.